In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of the eBay app on your mobile device. Whether you're looking to switch accounts or simply want to ensure your security, logging out is a simple yet important step. Let's walk through this process together, ensuring you have a seamless experience on both iOS and Android devices. First, open the eBay app on your phone. Once the app is up and running, the next step is to locate the menu icon, which could be represented by three horizontal lines, often referred to as the hamburger icon. If you're using an iOS device, you'll typically find this icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. For Android users, the icon's location could vary slightly depending on the version of the app you're using. It might be at the top left, or again at the bottom right. Once you've tapped on the menu icon, you'll see a list of options on your screen. Here, what you want to do next is scroll down until you find the Settings option. Tapping on Settings will lead you to a new page with various configurations that you can adjust according to your preferences. As you scroll down to the very bottom of the Settings page, you'll come across an option to sign out or log out. The wording could differ slightly based on updates or versions, but both options achieve the same goal: exiting your account. Once you tap on it, the app may prompt you to confirm your decision to log out. This is a standard security measure to ensure that you're intentionally choosing to leave your account. Tap confirm, and that's it. You're now logged out of the app. This simple process helps protect your personal information, especially if you're sharing your device with others or using a public device. Remember, logging out of your account regularly is a good practice to maintain your privacy and security. Should you wish to log back in, you'll just need to enter your credentials again. Having these steps at your fingertips ensures that you can manage your eBay account efficiently without any hiccups. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Whether for switching accounts or maintaining security, knowing how to log out is a useful piece of knowledge. Feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a refresher, and as always, make the most of your eBay buying and selling experience. See you in the next tutorial, and until then, take care.